Welcome to Tech Mastery Guru. In this module, we will explore and compare three powerful types of AI: generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents. By the end, you will understand how they work, how they are different, and where to use each. Artificial intelligence is evolving fast. Today, we see three big categories shaping the future: generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents. Each has its own focus. Some create content, some make decisions, and some act in the real world. Let's explore them one by one. Let's start with generative AI. This is a type of AI that creates content like text, images, music, or even code by learning from large dataset. It works on a simple request and response model. They give it a prompt, it gives you an answer. Some popular examples: ChatGPT for text generation, DALL-E for images, and Stable Diffusion for artwork. How does generative AI work behind the scene? It all starts with data collection and cleansing. The model learns from large datasets. Next, it uses powerful foundation models like GPT or GANs. Then comes the training phase, where the model is fine-tuned and optimized. Finally, there is a serving layer. This is what handles users' input and generate output. All of this run on cloud platform using deep learning and neural networks. Now let's look at something more advanced: agentic AI. This type of AI can do more than just response. It can plan, execute tasks, and adapt to changes. It's ideal for things like automating workflows, solving problems, and taking actions without step-by-step instruction. You can think of it like an AI project manager that learns from experience. Agentic AI has more complex setup. It starts with the perception module. This reads and understands the environment. Then the cognitive modules makes decisions and set goals. The next module is action module, carries out tasks either virtually or physically. And finally, the learning module helps the system improve over time using feedback. Some systems even have multiple agents working together, which helps with monitoring and collaboration. AI agents are building blocks of autonomous system. They are designed to sense, decide, and act. These can be small systems like a chatbot or a complex ones that runs factories or manage devices. The key idea: they work on their own to achieve a goal. AI agents have modular design. Sensors collect data from the environment. A processing unit analyzes the data and makes decisions. Actuators perform actions. In addition, they have a knowledge base to store facts and learn information, and memory to keep track of past events and context. Because of this design, AI agents can be flexible, scalable, and tailored for specific tasks. Let's quickly compare all three types of AI. Generative AI is great for content creation. Agentic AI is ideal for planning and automation. AI agents focus on task execution. Autonomy level also vary. Generative AI is reactive, it waits from prompt. Agentic AI is proactive, it plans ahead. And AI agents can be either depending upon how they are built. Their architectures reflect these three differences. Generative AI is a linear, data in and content out. Agentic AI is layered and adaptive. It uses feedback and planning. And AI agents are modular in nature. You can mix and match components depends upon the task. This helps you to choose the right type of AI for right use case. Now, just to wrap up, the key takeaways are: use generative AI for writing, designing, and summarizing. Use agentic AI for complex goals and workflows. Use AI agents when you need flexible systems that can observe, decide, and act. Each approach play a different role in the AI ecosystem and often they work best together. Thank you for joining this module on generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how these technologies work and where they fit in the real world. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Mastery Guru for more practical AI lessons. See you in the next one.